Good morning, traders. I'm identifying the trades. Actually, what has happened here on the previous day, you can see, let me remove all the drawings so that it will be clear for you. Let me remove these drawings. See, let us see the pattern, how the trade pans out. Yesterday, the first candle was a bullish candle, gap up, and then it started making lower highs and lower lows. So the range was within the five candles. The range low was around 10.15. The low made was 23,134. Today, same pattern in a different way it is presented, and the total range was around 88 points. Here, today, different presentation. The first candle made an high, same type. It did not trade towards the upside. It came down, it made a low. Within two candles, it made a low. So the range formed now is 107 points when compared to the yesterday's range. But the trade, what is happening now here is the second candle, third candle, they are making an high. Third candle, this is around 10 p.m. and now 10:15 candle, it is making a lower high. Still, how much? It has got 10 minutes to close. We cannot say. But the TWAP resistance level, if I go back and change it to from yesterday, this is the level from where TWAP resistance levels we are seeing. Now the price is making an attempt. The price play is within the range. Small candles within the range, 5 candles within the range. But here the second candle made the low and it is trading towards the high of the first candle. So there is no clarity in the direction of the movement. Probably again it can move towards this. Suppose if it breaks above this range, 23,269, immediate resistance is around, let me change it to hourly, immediate resistance is here, 23,297. You can see the hourly candle, second hourly candle turning positive, going towards the opening bell, the opening of the previous candle, that was around 23,245. And the high made was 23,273. There is no clarity in the direction. It appears that today also might be in a range day. If it fails to go past this level and if it starts, they will spend the whole lot of 2 hours has been spent, almost 2 hours has been spent, and another 2 hours, that means 12, 1, 2, it may trade within this range. Probably market may trade within this range. And it appears that market, if it expands, it can go up to 23,341. Now we need to see this range is so wide. even here also you can see after this range, 88 points range, the movement towards the higher side was only 44 points. Right? But you are seeing in the 1, 2, after the 5 candles, there was a move towards the upper side. 3, 2, 5, 6, 7 candles. Now it is going towards the range. The price action is not very clear here. You cannot take either call option or put option because there is an entry. Suppose you could have entered into a call option when it made a low and 23,150 call option came down to 102. Let me check where it is trading because there is lot of whipsaw here. You cannot trade this. There is no clarity. You need to wait. If you are an option buyer, you need to wait for the clarity in the at least some direction. Now it is making lower highs within this range. Now we need to see the 7th candle, that is around, this is 10:45 candle and this is 11 o'clock candle. So after the 2 hours, what sort of price action will develop, we need to see. At present, the price action is positive, but within the range of today's 215 candles. That indicates a balanced type of price action. If I put a volume profile over here, you can see the market is above the previous day value area high. So now let me take this volume profile from here to here, apply here. The value area high is around here. And also you can see the TWAP resistance I have marked. So it will act as a guidelines. Now price is popping up and 23,150 call option is around 130. And there is a price TWAP gap. Let me change it to TWAP gap is around 148. It may fill the gap. It may fill this gap first to 134 and the next gap is around 146. So this is an initial commentary, what is happening in the market. Better you should not venture into the trade. If you would have taken the trade, you could have ride from here, you could have taken the positive trade. In the first 15-minute candle itself, it has given a low. First 30 minutes, high and low of the day is made. That is acting as a boundary. It's a sideways type of price action. You cannot anticipate for the movement. Okay. The total range for yesterday was from the low to this low 126 points, 132 points. Now the range is shortened here. Range is 110 points. Let us check where the price is going to get any resistance. We will look for a short trade in the market. It is difficult actually. It has been rejected from this level. Price has been rejected from this level. It may come down, spend time, and it may make an attempt. Okay, friends, this is an initial commentary of the price action. Since there is no clarity in the price action, I'm not venturing into any trade.